चलिए perfect. Actually, few more committed, but at the end moment they had some urgent work, so we were expecting more. Anyways, this is in the recording, so we will be sharing to them. See, that's what. Yes, Shriji is also here. Chaliye. So today is our 1st of August, right? First day of the month. So how a month should it start? A month, month का first day, how it should start? कैसे start होना चाहिए? With some
Excitement.
excitement, learning, enjoyment.
Energy.
Yes, always.
Positive energy.
Positive energy. Yes, yes, yes. Even Shriji, welcome, Shriji. Yes, Divyanshi, how it should start? Adrit, how it should start? Come on,
Thank
answer.
you, ma'am.
Yes,
Too much fun.
we would
Month
love
should
to
be
see
start
you.
with too much energy.
We would love to see you.
I'm walking, that's why I'm close my
Okay.
video.
Okay. As soon as possible, please turn on the video. Yes. Adrit, how it should start? How the first day of month should start?
Ma'am, it should start with positive energy, positive vibrations,
Positive
and
energy and positive vibration. Yes.
positive things.
Positive things, yes, always. And we all are learner here. First and foremost, हम सभी यहाँ पे we are learner and learner. There is no age bar, because at this age also I feel like I can still learn like children. I'm open to learn. No, open to all those things in which I can grow, where I can grow, where I can learn more. Right? So all of us are in the same page. Please show the thumbs up or just यस, ये थम्स अप वाला ये डालते हैं ना, इमोजी डालते हैं थम्स अप वाला, दैट विल लुक गुड ना. यस, दिस विल लुक गुड. यस, चलिए, perfect. Okay, so let's introduce ourselves. अपना, where are you from? What is your name? What is where are you from? Or one feeling which you are having now. Okay, so let me begin. Or okay, let me just start, then we all can go ahead. Okay, my name is Manjusha and I am from Telangana, and right now I'm extremely excited. Now I'm passing on to, yes, Lalimaji.
Hello everyone. My name is Lalima Devangan. I am from Chhattisgarh.
Yes.
And I am a housewife and a mom of two beautiful kids. My daughter is 13 years and my son is 6. And today I am feeling very excited to learn this language. So thank you so much for this platform.
Perfect, very nice. Chaliye, now yes, Lukesh, will you go ahead or you want to go in? However,
I'll end up, okay?
Sorry.
I'll end up. Let
Okay,
everyone complete.
perfect. Okay, now I'm coming to Adrit.
Good evening, everyone. I am Adrit Akshay Barik. I am from Odisha, and
Yes.
I am very grateful to attend this meeting between us. Thank you.
Yes. So how is the feeling now, as of now, Adrit, of yours? How are
Ma'am,
you
I am
feeling now?
very,
Yes, come on.
I am very
Sorry, your voice is breaking.
excited, ma'am.
I am very excited. Perfect. Very nice. Acha, whenever if anyone is saying we have to show our this some emotions, like, we are loving that sharing and we are literally giving that thumbs up, or something should come up from our end. So this is how we are building each and everyone's confidence as well. Chalo, now I'm coming to Divyanshi. Yes, Divyanshi.
Hello everyone. I'm Devanshi Pallavi and I'm from Odisha. And I'm really excited to learn new things here.
Excited. Wow, this is really wonderful. And see, from all of, Orissa and Chhattisgarh and Telangana, from so many different places, we all are here. Thanks to this Zoom platform and this internet and all, so we are able to connect with each other. Perfect. Very nice. Okay, Priya ji, even if your video is off, that's absolutely fine. Please, a short introduction. Can you unmute yourself, Priyaji or Shriji?
I can
Yes.
introduce myself.
Yes. Yes.
I am Shri. I am from Agartala, Tripura, and I am so much excited to join with you all to learn new language, new things. And I am at IT profession. Thank you.
Okay, Shriji is from IT. Chaliye, perfect, very nice. Yes, Priya ji. Yes, see, I forgot to share that emotion and all, and Adrit did it. So this is how the thing built up. Very nice. Thank you. Yes, Priya ji, are you here?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. Yes.
Yes. Myself, Priya, I'm from Bangalore. Really, I'm very excited to join this session.
Okay, perfect. Excited. Perfect. Very nice. Okay, now I'm coming to Lokesh ji. Yes.
Yeah, hi, I'm Lokesh and happy to be here today. And for me, like I am getting better each and every day whenever I speak, right? I speak slowly, even though I speak fast. I speak clearly, I speak confidently. I'm learning, I'm improving, I'm enjoying this journey. So every word I speak makes me more confident. I'm here to shine. I'm here to shine with you all.
Yes. Okay. So let's type everyone in the chat box. We are here to shine. That will be good enough.
But
Chaliye.
but
Everyone.
before that, I just wanted to share some more things.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So basically, my journey has been born in Chhattisgarh, traveled across Karnataka, and then Andhra. Okay. So the best part of learning English is being in South, and that is how you see like people from South, like me, Manjusha, or even Priya, I think, right? We have a little different English than what people from Chhattisgarh, Orissa have. Okay, so that's not something like which is inherent. Like it's basically what we have learned speaking to others and speaking continuously, right? So yes, everyone, we are here to shine.
Perfect. Okay. Everyone has already written. Lalima ji has already written. We are here to shine. We are here to shine. We are here to shine. Okay. Yes. Who is left out? Okay. Yes. Priya ji and even yes. We are here to shine. Perfect. Very good. Okay. Yes, we all are here to shine. Okay, so wanted to know from everyone ki what exactly is the thing we are looking for in this community? What exactly is the thing we are looking for in this community? Feel free to express. हिंदी में भी चलेगा. अभी the only purpose is rise with confidence. हमें जो भी बोलना भी जो है वो हमें कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलना है. तो हम यहाँ पे क्यों हैं? Yes, why we are here? What is that one thing which we want to learn? Because first step is हमारा awareness कि हम यहाँ पे हैं क्यों. We are investing our time. हम यहाँ पे अपना time लगा रहे हैं. Right? So what is that one thing? Yes, Adrit, I would like to start. Okay, Priya ji, to gain confidence in speaking. Perfect. This is the first awareness. Yes. Yes, Adrit, you would like to share?
And to speak fluently English.
To speak fluently English. Yes, perfect. Okay, now one more thing. I would like everyone to keep back straight because we are in the learning mode, and learning mode is first starts with our body language. Okay, we will keep our back straight. जैसे कि how we used to be in school. सबसे पहले teacher आके she used to say keep your back straight while learning. Don't sit like this. Don't sit like that. है ना? Yes. Can we all relate with it? We all are here children only. Yeah? Yes, Divyanshi, Adrit, you have know that, right? Yes. First thing teacher will say, keep your back straight. Yes. Okay. So yes, to speak English confidently and fluently. Yes, Divyanshi.
Ma'am, actually, I'm here because of my fear of public speaking. Like, I
Fear.
get really nervous when I stand in front of a crowd, or like, if I'm speaking in front of some strangers, I get really nervous and start to forget things.
Okay, start forgetting things. Okay, public speaking fear. ठीक है. Okay. Now, Lalima ji. Feel free, huh? So we are here a family, and no one is judging.
I want to strong my base in English language. And so I can I want to speak in English. I have fluency.
Mm.
So this is the main point for this platform. I want to learn here. So I want to strong my base first.
Wow, this is superb, superb. See, it's so nice. See, you will feel the change, Lalima ji here. You will definitely feel the change because I am only seeing the change. Then you will also realize. Yes. Shriji.
Yes, I'm also trying to improve myself in communication, hesitation,
Mm.
and vocabulary, most those things which require actually. So I want to improve all those things.
Mm.
So, yes, thank you.
Okay. Need to improve vocabulary, fluency, and other things as well. Priya ji, can you? Okay, to gain confidence in speaking. Okay, that is very nice. Okay, now allow me to share my story. I'll share my story, how my journey began and how was the thing. Yes, even for Adrit and Divyanshi as well, though I teach them. But this is something I really want to share. Ki, there was a time when it was right from beginning. I am from English medium. That's absolutely fine. And then there was a time that it was 10 years of break. And during that break, there was only that people around who used to speak Hindi. 10 years break, and there was no one around with whom I can speak English. Okay. And then I joined my job. Then I joined my job, and then there was absolutely different atmosphere where everyone was speaking in English and very fluently and very confidently. And for me it was not like that I don't know that language, but I was completely unknown to that because fluency was gone, confidence, I literally lost the confidence. And I was like, yaar, मैं अपनी English how should I say it fluently, या मैं किसके साथ communicate करूँ? That was the biggest thing. And I literally used to feel embarrassed कि people can talk so well और मुझे नहीं आ रही है. I cannot speak that fluently. I'm not able to speak up at that time. And that was the time wherein my coordinator said, it's difficult to give you that primary grade because your communication skill is not that strong. Can you imagine? I was like, that line ki, you cannot get that primary grade because your communication skill is not strong. You have to deal with parent. So you are little lagging in that. I was like, damn, I studied right from childhood in English medium and I cannot speak. How can anyone say that? That was literally the completely it was it was like, for me it was unbelievable कि ऐसा हो भी सकता है. And that was the time when my confidence was absolutely gone. But that was the moment when I decided, when I will be able to communicate fluently and when I will be able to speak up nicely and confidently, I'll build a community wherein I'll help people to speak confidently. Because the only thing which was lagging was confidence. It was not that language was not known to me. ऐसा नहीं था कि मुझे इंग्लिश आती नहीं थी. I was aware, but there was atmosphere missing, community missing, and then there was one person who helped me, who just communicated with me, only communication. And that only thing, sirf wahi combination helped me build my fluency. And that is why we all are here, so that whatever thing which is stopping us to move forward, whether it's confidence, whether it's fluency or whatever, with that little task, with small tasks which will be given, जो छोटे छोटे tasks जो दिए जाएंगे, we are going to build a community जहाँ पे I will also be learning. Because now also when I see Shashi Tharoor ji, my God, his English, his vocabulary, go and check every time when I hear to him, I have to see dictionary. Damn it, I want to reach to that level. So I am also learning. It's not just I will be guiding you. It's we all will be learning from each other. So we have to first and foremost think, yes, we are going to learn, no matter how much ever people are there. Even I think, Lokesh, you also, you agree with this, ki we all are learner here. And in somewhere, even though whatever position you are in, but you also might be wanting to reach to a place wherein, yes, we have to improve in that phase. Yes, that thumbs up is there. Yes. So that's what we are here to learn in whatever way. So I also have a target. Even Lokesh ji also have a target. Lalima ji also. So right from today, for next 30 days, we are going to improve something in ourselves. How? क्योंकि हमारा focus from now on, हमारा focus will be in one area, right? No matter what, छोटा सा 5-10 minutes का task we will be doing always to remind that we are in the process of learning, right? Will it be easy, just 5-10 minutes ka task, but it will boost our confidence and it will give us the focus. Are we all in the same page? A thumbs up please, with the emoji of thumbs up.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shriji, you want to say something, Shriji?
Feeling we are on the same page. And your story is just like similar because from by birth I have also studied in English medium. But still I'm in
Shriji, I
lag.
want to see you, please. We need to
No,
build.
my hair is so messed up
It's
and my dress
okay.
is
It's
also so.
okay. Just
Oh, no.
take 2 minutes, freshen up, and
No,
just,
no.
because this is how the connection we are going to build, or else we will not be comfortable, right? So, yes.
Next day I will be sit.
Okay. Okay. Yes. So, this is what the thing is. Yes. Anything now, Lokesh, you want to share here?
Nothing much. Like, you should not give the example of Shashi Tharoor. He is extraordinary person.
No.
He's extraordinary. See, basically, first thing is like you have to improve 1% every day. So
Yes.
within 365 days, you'll be improving by 37% overall. So that is the calculation which says so,
Yes. Yes.
right? So as
Definitely.
of now, like when Priyanshi, right? Priyanshi told like
Divyanshi.
she has problem with strangers. Right now, I think you only know 2 or 3 persons in the group, but still you have spoken very well in
Yes.
front of us.
That's
Correct?
what. Yes. Yes.
So that's the confidence which is coming automatically.
That is the confidence which is
And,
coming.
Lalima is doing really well. I thought like she doesn't know anything the way she was writing.
Yes. Yeah, that
Yeah.
is what.
That's what,
Yes.
right? So that's the difference. Like when you come out yourself, you
Yes.
show up. Correct?
Yes, definitely. So, why I gave that example is just because I also have, somewhere I want to reach that. Even that is a long-term goal. We should have some goal maybe for 30 days and then for the next 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. But down the line, obviously, we have to start small. We have to take a small step every day, right? Everyday progress is that's what we need to have. So what I wanted to share is everyone is a learner here. There is no bar for language. I personally feel कि कभी ऐसा we cannot say कि I am the best and I have learned everything in that. We cannot say at any point of time. So this is a journey wherein we all are together, always in a learning mode. Wherever we are now, from here to here. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, now I wanted to ask. Let me write it down here. Yes, let me open the whiteboard. Okay. So let's understand why it is important. What will happen? My question to you all: what will happen? Ki if you are communicating well, if you are communicating properly, confidently, so why it is needed? Yes, I want first point from Divyanshi. Why it is needed? क्यों? हर चीज का क्यों जानना बहुत जरूरी है. Yes. Yes, Divyanshi. What will happen if you are speaking very fluently and very confidently in front of everyone? What will happen?
Ma'am, will impress people. Not impress, it will boost our confidence
Yes.
for our happiness.
Confidence, yes. And what you said, ki yes, it will impress people. That is also, but in the same way, we can say maybe moving forward, when you are going to college or when you are going for an interview, definitely you will be the candidate who will be preferred with good communication skill. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So that is, yes, confidence building. Yes. Come on. Now, next point, Adrit, you can think of something. Ki kyun? Why?
And because speaking English fluently make us look educated.
Come again, sorry. Speaking in English?
I'm speaking English can make us look educated.
Yes, it will make you look educated. Yes, perfect. No right, wrong, everything is correct. Educated, yes. Next, Priya ji. Yes, Lalima ji.
Can you repeat question because I am unable to
हाँ
understand.
हाँ ओके हमें क्यों वाई इट इज़ नीडेड, हमें क्यों अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल इम्प्रूव करनी है, या क्यों इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली बोलना है, या वाई वी शुड कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश, या क्या क्यों आवर माइंड ऑलवेज आस्क वाई, कि मुझे ये चीज़ क्यों करना है, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू इम्प्रूव, वी आर गोइंग टू बी इन दैट लर्निंग जोन, तो क्यों करना है, उससे फ़ायदा क्या होगा, क्या फ़ायदा होगा आपको?
Ma'am, for achieving my goals, because English is very important for every, we can say,
हाँ
this is a very global language, and we can take our career one step forward.
करियर, यस
For career.
Yes, perfect. To grow in our career, that is very important. Perfect. Yes. Coming to Shri ji or Priya ji, please unmute yourself.
If
What
I
else?
speak English fluently, then I can communicate with much more with many people, many region people who don't understand other language.
Yes,
And I
it
can
builds
speak with them fluently.
connection. Yes, it builds connection, right? You can connect very well with other people who are not, kind of in the same language or so. With English, you can connect with many other people as well. Like we are not confident with the, local language of that. Like here, Telugu is very much quite spoken
Yes, South
often.
people don't understand except
Hmm.
English and their
Yes.
own language. So it is really needed to understand the English.
Yes, perfect. Yes, Priya ji, why it is needed? Okay. Meanwhile, shall I come to Lokesh? Yes. Yes, Lokesh. Why it is needed? You're on mute.
Is it me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, like for me, like it helps me grow professionally.
Huh. Perfect. And any other thing which comes in your mind, why one should give importance to communication skill?
See, boosts your travel plans and all. Like if you're going outside India, it helps you in communicating well with those people,
Yes. Yes.
right? It builds up career only. It's come okay, and
Yes.
already like even Priyanshi is like who someone mentioned like it. You will yeah, for social also is one thing. Confidence is there. It impresses others.
Yes. Perfect. Okay. Now, any one of us, or might be in future as well, when we have to start our own thing. Suppose हमें अपना कोई business start करना है. How you are going to tell to other people about your business? What will come into the picture? The first thing is the way you are telling about the thing which you do, right? So even or whatever be the thing you are doing, that communication will help you grow in your business as well. Even now also in business, it is very important to have good communication skill. Yes, everyone agrees with this?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me, is it important to speak only in English? English is important. I'm not saying it's not important. But what is important? Anyone who is saying confidently in Hindi, that is fine, or anyone who is struggling in English. So, what is important? Communication or English? Or both?
Actually, what we speak, if we can explain to other, if some opposite gender is understanding what I want to speak, and any language is satisfied.
Yes.
It depends communication, two way or one way. So, and how if communication is not getting properly, then language is the just problem.
Yes. So, what matters is you speaking confidently. That matters. Why did I ask this question? Because where we stop ourselves is where we hesitate. Where we hesitate? what is the reason we hesitate in speaking? Like, if I say wrong, what the other person will think, right? If we have that fear, हमें हमेशा एक ये डर होता है कि if I say wrong, if my grammar is not correct, what other people will think about it? Yes, can you resonate with this? Why, what else is the reason? क्या hesitation होता है when you speak in public? Yes, Divyanshi, what I want to ask to you, Divyanshi, like you said, you get quite nervous and you start forgetting the line when you speak in front of others. So क्या feeling आती है? What is that feeling that comes to you?
Ma'am, when like if I stand in front of other people and I see them that they're looking at me, by
हाँ.
that only I'm like
Yes.
scared.
Like that, yes. So attention means, it gets tough if everyone looks at you and you start feeling like, that everyone is looking at you and you are the attention center. You are at the center. So that gives that feeling. That is the hesitation. And सब कोई, everyone is watching me. अगर मैंने एक word गलत बोल दिया तो, yes, दिव्यांशी, yes, एक
Yeah.
word गलत हो गया तो, okay. But now I literally want to ask कि the one who is really very fluent in English or one who speaks English nicely, are they every time correct? Are they correct every time? Now you listen to the interview
But
of
they
the,
are
yeah, yes,
Not necessary.
yes.
sorry.
No, it's okay. Lalima ji, ये बिल्कुल, it's a interactive only. We want to have discussion. Yes, Lalima ji, बोलिए.
But they are confident in English. That's why they are very good
हाँ.
in our view.
Yes, but they are confident in English even though their English is not correct. Yes, right? So before learning English, what is that first thing we need to develop? Confidence. That is the first thing we need to develop. Or definitely when you will start learning the language, that confidence will build up. But till that time, we are saying to ourselves, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती, मुझे डर लगता है, मेरे बारे में लोग क्या सोचेंगे, या मुझे लोगों के सामने से जाने में डर लगता है, या मुझे लगता है कि मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सही है या नहीं. दिस ऑल्सो हैपन्स. We start thinking before expressing that, don't know whether my perspective is correct or not. So what is the line that should go in our mind? What should be our inner talk? जब तक हम अपने आप में ही we keep saying कि no, I don't know English, I cannot speak, I get afraid of speaking in front of others, will we be able to come up with that? Cricketers, even those cricketers, they literally don't know English much, but they are confident. They don't think anything. They are very confident. जिसको जो सोचना है सोचे. Yes. Now go and check their interviews. Sometimes their English is literally horrible, but they are damn confident. Whatever they do, yes, they play cricket very well, but they are least bothered. One thing they have built is confidence. That's why before learning any language, the thing is to build confidence. Yes. Adrit, you want to say anything in this? Please express your opinion. Anything you want to say, Shriji, Priyaji, Divyanshi, Adrit, Lalimaji, Yalokishi? Yes. Yes or no? Yes, Adrit, unmute yourself. We are here to speak. The more we speak, the more we learn. Unmute yourself, Adrit. Do you agree with this?
Yes, ma'am. We should build our confidence first and then English language.
We should be very confident. But what should be our inner talk?
Just speak.
Just speak. And what you should tell to yourself if your heart is saying like, I don't know English, I cannot speak, or I cannot, I don't
Ma'am,
know.
I will deep breath and
Yes,
when
you
I
will.
will start deep breathing and then
Yes.
They want to
I
have
am
this.
learning. Now we all are learning. Right now, there should be no voice in your brain or in your heart that comes and that is there at the back ki you don't know English or you are having the fear. No, there only you stop. And what is that one line you should come up with? But I am learning now. We are in this community, but I am learning now. मुझे hesitation होती है सबके सामने में बोलने के लिए, but I am learning now. But now I'm in that community. But stop there only all the negative conversation. Okay? Done? Are we going to do this? We are learning. We all are learning. This is the first change before learning any language or before building confidence. First thing, disconnect or just cut out all your negative talks about that. Okay, now the next important thing. In English, L, S, R, W. These are the 4 major pillar. What is this? Can anyone guess?
Listening, speaking, reading, writing.
Yes, very good. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This 4 content pillars. Okay, so now I want to ask, when a child born, जब एक child का birth होता है, how that child after some time starts speaking a certain language? Yes, Lalima ji, please, little loud. I cannot hear you.
No, ma'am.
Yes. See, my question is to everyone कि when a child is born, तो वो बच्चा कुछ महीनों बाद या आफ्टर अ ईयर कैसे एक लैंग्वेज को बोलने लग जाता है? What is the
Ma'am, by listening to the environment.
yes,
Exactly.
yes, yes, yes. By listening to others. Yes, Adrit कैसे बोलने लग जाता? How that child starts speaking English or Hindi or Telugu or whatever the language he is or she is speaking in that. Yes,
Ma'am, by listening,
by listening.
message,
Yes, by
parents and
हाँ,
people who are there.
by listening to others. दूसरों को सुन के they start learning immediately. कोई सिखाता भी नहीं है, right? They start catching that, they start grabbing those words, right? Now, so what is the first thing or what are the things which we need to focus on to improve that communication skill or to improve our English fluency as well? The first thing is your listening. We need to hear others. जितना हम सुनेंगे, our mind will grasp that. जितना हम सुनेंगे, right? जितना हम सुनेंगे. The next thing is we need to speak. We should not cut ourselves. We should not we should not restrict ourselves from speaking. Now this is the time we all have to speak more. This time I'm just introducing, that's why I'm speaking. From the next live session, maybe weekly once, everyone will be speaking. I won't be speaking. You all have to speak. Okay, because this is the platform where we will be speaking. Whether it's right, wrong, doesn't really matter. Nobody is going to judge you. We have to speak no matter what. The next thing is reading. We have to read books. Reading books is very important. किसी भी तरीके का कोई भी book, we have to start reading. And writing also comes. So our next 30 days, what we will be doing, कि हर दिन, each and every day, we will be focusing on one activity that will be given as a challenge. कि okay, listen to this or read this or something like that will be going on in group. या कुछ direction दिए जाएंगे for the next 30 days so that the focus is there. Okay, it will be based on this only. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. Okay, fine. So that we can build these skills in our life. And always learning a skill makes ourselves confident. किसी भी स्किल को जब हम सीखते हैं वी बिकम मोर कॉन्फिडेंट. तो नाउ फॉर द नेक्स्ट 30 days, टुडे इज 1st of August, फॉर संडे विल बी ऑफ, फॉर मंडे टू सैटरडे a small 5 to 10 minute task, or weekly once we will be making a video and we will be giving, so that the fear of speaking should come up. ठीक है, weekly once, or if you want, like Adrit makes really nice video. I really appreciate you, Adrit, for that. And I think Adrit, because of you started doing that, your fear has little bit gone, right? Thoda, it's like now you are little comfortable. The more you practice, the more you practice, the more you practice, you become confident, comfortable in that. Yes? Agree करते हैं सब कोई? Everyone agrees with this? So किसी चीज को whatever we want to achieve, we have to make sure we are practicing it daily. Yes, we have to practice it daily. Okay? So this is what we are going to do for the next 30 days. We are going to do एक छोटा छोटा assignment we will be giving in this, and we will be doing it, and we will be encouraging others as well to do this. Okay, so anything that is coming to your mind, Adrit, Divyanshi, Priya ji या श्री जी और लालिमा जी, कुछ माइंड में आप लोगों के आ रहा है that you wanted to ask or share or discuss? Remember, the more you speak, the more you learn. Yes.
Can I ask one question?
Yes, please.
How will you learn from us, because we are beginners and you are already in upgraded as means you are confident in English and your English is good. So how will you learn from us?
Okay.
This is
How I will learn. That's why I gave the example of Shashi Tharoor ji, because I also want to reach to that stage. I cannot practice that English. मैं अपनी वो vocab के साथ किसी the person who is very fluent in English, because even I will feel that no, I have to reach to that place. So I need that community where I can where I can use those words. Today I sent that thing, right? Did you see that you started making sentences as well? That is a learning. Sometimes we also forget. Right? All those things. So that also comes up in our mind, and anything learning will always be helpful. Right? So that's why I am also here to learn. Even Lokesh is also here to learn. So we all are here to learn. So we don't have to think what will happen in this and all those things. We all are learners here. The big thing. Okay. So let's start for. चलिए इसको यहाँ पे बंद करते हैं. Yes. Adrit, you want to say anything? Adrit, Divyanshi, या Priya ji, any question? Shri ji, are we excited for this? Because right now only 5 people have joined, because there are many more people who will be joining maybe in that challenge. So I'll be sending the recording. So anything that is coming up to your mind कि क्या करना है, या what will happen in all those things, या time constraint, anything in your mind, please feel free to ask.
Ma'am, I think one of the factor is body language. Like if our body is not confident, our back is not straight, then people don't give us their time. They will be distracted from our speech. Like they will don't give us value. That's the right thing. If
Yes.
if a person's body is muscular, he is looking attractive, then it will create a different impact on the listeners. And if a person is at Odisha and his belly is going to Telangana, then how a person will, the audience will give him priority or their time.
Okay.
And
Okay.
even
Very
though
nice.
he is very correct, then also they will not give him
Yes.
their time. They will be distracted from speech.
Yes. Very nice question. Yes. Divyanshi, did you understand the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is your thought on it? Let's discuss.
Ma'am, like he said that people's attention span, they'll lose it if we like speak our body language is incorrect. So first, though we have to like correct our body language.
Hmm.
But next, that if we're speaking something like we are giving some speeches or doing a debate,
Hmm.
so um,
Yes.
we should add some hooks to it.
Hook twist it. Okay. Even one thing what Adrit said कि अगर मैं उड़ीसा से हूँ and I'm going to a different place, right, Adrit? Your question was that also कि I'm going to a different place. Then how to get that attention? How to get that attention, right? That was also one of the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Perfect. Lalima ji, I wanted to know your opinion as well. कि अगर इफ बॉडी लैंग्वेज या लुक वैसा नहीं है, अटेंशन ग्रैबिंग नहीं है, तो हाउ टू मेक अदर्स कि आपको वो सुने?
I think we should learn this because this is the way
Yes.
where we should improve ourselves. So
Yes. This is the way we, हाँ,
um, we should learn this point.
yes,
We should focus on this point especially, and we should work on it.
yes, we should focus and we should learn on, literally do it. Now, why did I say, if you have read the message, I wrote the message, wear something that makes you feel confident. Did anyone read that? मैंने
Yes,
लिखा
ma'am.
था, right? I wrote that wear something that makes you feel confident, because confidence is a complete total thing which just does not come with your just English speaking, or even if you are standing very nicely and dressed up nicely, but the moment you start speaking, everyone loses attention. सुनना ही नहीं है. So it's not dress that ki your dress grabs attention. Yes, it has 20%. The next 20% is what you are speaking. The very next 20% is your body language. Yes, but the main and important thing is your confidence. If you're speaking confidently, if you are speaking confidently, your body language will change. When you are confidence inside, when you are confident inside, your body language will change. The way you stand will change. I cannot say yes, I'm confident. Can I say it like this? No. The moment you say you're confident, your body, your back, you won't be like this. It will be like absolutely straight, right? This is the difference. Now you see Narendra Modi, right? The way he speaks, doesn't matter what he is wearing, doesn't matter ki whether he knows English or not. क्या पर्सनालिटी है, कितना कॉन्फिडेंस अंदर है, right? Now that person, Adrit, if he goes to a village, or if he goes to US, or if he goes anywhere in India or outside, does it matter? Does it matter? No, it doesn't matter. He is all alone, that man, strong man, that confident man, right? So that is why that confidence comes from within. And then when you are confident enough, when you are saying, when you are walking, talking, everything will reflect outside. The thing, first you change inside and then everything will be reflecting outside. It is clearly visible that how is your mindset, what you are thinking inside. Everything reflects with your body language, with the words which you speak. Right? And communication and body language, yes, it is interrelated as well, as what Adrit said. Look and appearance sometimes doesn't matter at all. कभी कभी उसकी importance उतनी नहीं होती. It's not 100%. Looks, or the way you are dressed up, these are all little secondary thing. First thing always comes up with the confidence. See, when Narendra Modi, if he will speak, even if he is not dressed up nicely, we will listen to him, right? The way he speaks grab attention, right? So it's not look, it's the way you stand. Always while learning, we sit in a chair and in a very back straight, the position which we always carry. Yes, getting my point? Adrit, does it answer to you? Does this answer
Well,
you
I think it looks matter. The first impression, like we know Narendra Modi, that's why we give attention to him. He will say something.
well?
We know Narendra Modi. If somebody don't know us, then to create impression in his mind, we have to look good. Confidence also matters, but first thing we have to look good.
That is what I'm
That I
saying.
think.
Yes, that is true that we know Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but no, whatever you are having, you have to be confident for that. It doesn't matter ki if anyone XYZ is thinking, no, my goods are not look so not good. Yeah, I don't look that much impressive, so people won't be listening to me. Am I getting it correct, Adrit?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So it's not about the way you look. It's about the confidence you carry. Yes,
Yes.
doesn't matter. Yes, Adit, please speak up. I think you wanted to ask something else as well.
No, ma'am, I don't want to say.
Is it clear?
Yes.
The question you asked. Yes, Divyanshi, I want to know from you as well. Why that fear comes and what?
Ma'am,
Hmm,
like, I don't know because when
hmm,
I'm speaking in front of people I know
hmm,
and I'm friendly with, I
hmm,
speak perfectly, I speak
hmm,
nicely.
hmm,
But when I go in front of strangers
hmm,
or someone I know will be judging me,
hmm, hmm.
I
Yes,
somewhere I feel like I'm
they
not
will laugh at you.
confident.
They will laugh
Yeah.
at you. Yes, that is the fear of judgment that comes up, and
Yes.
that is what, that stops our growth. कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, fear of judgment, that literally becomes a big thing. But that is what we have to be damn confident कि वही चीज अंदर से लाना है जो मैं कर रही हूँ. Whatever I'm doing absolutely fine, even if I make mistake. No one is perfect. The one who is judging you, he or she is also not perfect. That's the thing. The one who judges you, they are also not perfect. They might say at the back of you, पीछे से हो सकता है आपके लिए बोले कि no, she is like that, she is like that, but they also might be having some other point, right? So the only focus is our growth. I want to see Divyanshi as something where she wants to be. So thinking all those things कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, she will never be able to reach over there. Right? And same with Adrit, your dream is becoming IAS. You want to become IAS, right? So your personality has to be damn strong. How, no matter what others are saying, or XYZ that is coming to your mind, ki why this and all those things, I am damn good. Yes, I need to learn and I will be in learning mode. Right? Same thing is with Lalima ji, Priya ji, Shri ji. We have some destination, we have some goal, and no matter what comes, we have to reach over there. No any such thought which is going to stop us. Our goal is crystal clear. Okay, perfect. Okay, so right now let's do a little activity. Activity in the sense, take anything that is in and around you. कोई भी एक चीज ले लीजिए. We will be speaking just 3 to 5 lines about that. शॉर्ट लाइंस कुछ भी ले लीजिए. पेन होगा, बुक होगा, नोटबुक होगा, एनीथिंग, कुछ भी फटाक से जस्ट मेक इट फास्ट एंड जस्ट 5 लाइन्स अबाउट दैट. और सपोज एनीथिंग यू वांट टू टेल अबाउट दैट, लाइक, okay, you want me to start, or you will like to start? Like for me, like I have this pen, this writing pad pen with me. So what 5 sentence immediately I can say about it? This pen is black in color, and this pen is very helpful for me because it helps me to teach children. And I keep this pen in my table so that whenever is required, I can take it immediately. This is really very easy to hold, and the writing becomes very easy. And I'm really grateful for this pen. Done. What happened? In this, what happened? Mind got activated. And this practice we need to do. Jitna bolenge, I'm telling you again, jitna bolenge, you will become confident in that. It's not about you cannot do, it's because you have never done this. It's because we have never done this before. Immediately mind activation process. Yes, Divyanshi, I want to start from you. कोई भी ऐसी चीज in and around 5 lines.
Okay, so I'm holding this calendar. It helps me to
What
mark
is
my
that?
day.
Divyanshi, what is that?
Calendar.
Okay, perfect. Yes.
So it helps me to mark my day and how it went, my growth. It really helps me, and also to know the date, obviously.
Huh.
And
Yes.
I also mark events, holidays, and important days like tests
Hmm.
and um, or some functions. So I'm really grateful to this thing. Like it's very small, but it does really great to me.
Yes. Okay. Perfect. Very nice. Very well spoken. Immediate mind got activated. Very good. Very good. This is the observation which we are working on. Chaliye. Now, Adrit, it's your turn.
Ma'am, I would like to speak about my study table, because sometimes I am bored studying on bed. I like to study on bed. It helps me to study on the bed because it is my favorite thing in my whole house, because it is of the black color that I like. And some strips are also present here
Hmm.
that help me to hold the pen. I put it around my bed because uh, still- when I study early morning, I don't want to search the table. That is it.
Okay, perfect. Little louder you have to be, Adrit, because sometimes the voice is a little cracking also, but you spoke very well. See, we are looking for fluency, and that is how even we have to activate our mind as well. Very nicely done, very good, and I literally appreciate you for this, Adrit. Very good. Chaliye. Okay, Lalima ji.
This is my phone, and I am very grateful for this phone because of this I can connect with you all, and because of this I can connect and I can search many things with the help of Google, and this is the thing where I can talk to my parents, my family members, and in the emergency I can use this and I can take help, medical help. So this is very important, and I can say this is very this is a lifeline because with the help of this we can use and we can improve in many areas.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Very nice, very nice. Superb, superb. थोड़ा सा और अगर if you wanted to add on, this phone is black in color. It has very nice feature. I have many such apps stored in this, and I literally always feel good when I see mobile, right?
Yes.
So that's all. It's just observation. Perfect. Is Shriji or Priya ji, anyone, if you would like to go? Yes, I can see Shriji giving the reaction. So Shriji, would you like to go ahead?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
In front of me, I have a notebook.
Hmm.
Actually, this notebook is so much helpful for me. Whatever I do from morning to night, whatever work I do, I
Hmm.
need to note down everything.
Hmm.
Even any kind of calculation, any kind of phone numbers, any kind of notes,
Hmm.
coding, and formula, everything I write in this notebook, and it's make it so much helpful for me. Everywhere I go, when I go to my office, if anytime, and I always carry this notebook with me. Yes, thank you.
Yes, perfect. Yes. So next time I can expect Shriji, like your video will be on, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So,
Perfect. See, this is a very nice platform wherein we can speak a lot. And yes, one video we will be sending. That will be the task. Sunday it will be free, whatever you want to do. But from today on, we have to LSRW focus on that. We will be from Monday onwards. We will be focusing on that, and we will grow together. Okay. And so before we end today's session, I would like to know what is that one takeaway you are taking from today's session. What is that one takeaway? आज के सेशन का टेक अवे क्या है? यस, श्रीजी, व्हाट इज दैट वन टेक अवे?
we will grow together. We will learn together.
Yes,
We have confidence. We can achieve everything.
yes, we are confident and we are learning and we can achieve anything doing together. Perfect, very nice. Next, Lalimaji, what is that one takeaway?
It's okay if we make any mistakes. We are in the learning mode, and I know I can do this. So this is my takeaway. I am in learning period, and definitely I will do.
Yes, perfect. Very nice. Divyanshi, what is that one takeaway?
Ma'am, that to stop negative things and that people will judge, but we have to like speak with confidence. We have to be
Yes.
confident.
Yes, perfect. Yes, Adrit, what is that one takeaway?
Now I want to become confident, speak loudly, fluently, and attract positive value.
Yes. Okay. So, with this end of session, are you feeling a little more confident कि today आज chance मिला learn करने का सीखने का and there will be more people together moving forward. Live session एक या दो ही होगा, mostly शायद one ही होगा, लेकिन rest of the day we will be learning and when we will be joining in we will showcase like क्या हमने सीखा and we will be able to present confidently. Yes. Are you excited for this? Are you all excited for this? Yes, yes, yes. Shriji, yes. Lalima ji, yes. And yes. Adrit, Divyanshi, yes, yes, yes. I'm getting all yes. Perfect. Very nice. So we all are learners here. Very good. And do you have a glass of water as of now? किसके पास है glass of water? नहीं है?
बोतल है.
Bottle है, चलेगा, चलेगा. Go get it. It will take 1 minute. Go get a glass of water.
Okay, I'm taking.
Yes. Come on. Divyanshi, Adrit, Lalima ji, go get a glass of water. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, but get a glass of water quickly. चलिए, good. Sorry, I forgot to tell कि आज glass of water लाना था. Okay, you got it, Adrit? Adrit is there, Divyanshi is there, Lalima ji is there, and yes, Shriji and all. Okay, chaliye. Now, see, remember, I think Lalima ji and Shriji knows, but for the children as well, Adrit and Divyanshi, water has memory. ओके पानी में मेमोरी होती है जो भी आप पानी में वॉट एवर यू से टू दिस वाटर एंड वेन यू ड्रिंक इट गोज इनसाइड योर बॉडी एंड दैट हेल्प्स यू बिल्ड दैट एनर्जी वो एनर्जी वो बनाती है ओके तो पानी में अभी देख के यू विल से आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट एंड आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश एंड आई विल स्पीक कॉन्फिडेंटली ओके आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अचीव माई गोल्स ये 3 लाइन बोलेंगे पानी में देख के बोलेंगे बिकॉज वाटर हैज़ मेमोरी it gives you energy 70% of our body is made up of water this is the energy which we are taking in देखेंगे and then sip it 3 times 3 बार sip करके पीजिए drink it Adrit you did not see it and say yes do this quite often. Divyanshi, I think you were aware of this. You were little. Were you aware of this?
Yeah, I read about it in an article, and then I also like saw it in a movie.
Okay, yes. So this is scientifically proven. Okay, this is not just I'm saying and doing randomly. No, this is scientifically proven. Anything which you say to water and then drink, it starts making you giving that energy. Okay, okay, Adrit. Always speak positive when you are drinking water. Chalo, ठीक है. So Monday onwards, we will start giving you small 5-10 minutes task, and next week, most probably Saturday, we will meet. Okay. Chalo, perfect. Have a fantastic Sunday and Saturday night as well. Chalo, love you all. Thank you so much for joining. Chalo, bye-bye.
Thank you so much,
Bye.
ma'am. Thank you, आप
Thank you, my
सबको.
confident
Ta-ta.
learners. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.